Added the fenders, added the lights, added this. Also, it's dropped to the ground. That is how low it is. Cleaned up the paint what I can. This is a UD truck. It does have cool interior. It is extended quite a bit. Extended with those dually wheels as well. We do have this lip ramp. It does have quad exhaust. It does slide, so that's cool, but also slides back because let's show you guys the engine, which this is the engine. Oh, V8 Scania swapped V8. But that is it. It does then slide, and then you can put it down. So that is the This trailer has been extended though, don't mind the Lamborghini. I wanna put like a crane. Yeah, a crane would be nice. Quad exhaust. Definitely for the two turbos. There are these straps on the, which is elasticy, which you can take out. You can take out. It's to the I actually show you guys on camera. So with one hand, this is the custom truck.